A closer look at the repiping process. What to expect. Your home's plumbing system is vital for everyday convenience and functionality. If you're considering a repipe, it's natural to have questions about the process. In this article, we'll take a closer look at what to expect during a repiping project. At We Do Repipes, we confidently guide you through a smooth and efficient journey, ensuring a reliable and hassle-free plumbing system for your home. Step 1. Evaluation and planning. First, our repipe specialists thoroughly assess your existing plumbing system. They carefully examine the condition of your pipes and identify any problem areas. Based on this evaluation, a detailed plan is created, tailored to your home's specific needs. Our transparent approach ensures that you stay informed and confident throughout the planning process. Step 2. Prep work. Before the repiping work begins, we prioritize protecting your home. Our skilled team delicately cuts access points in the drywall, minimizing dust and disruptions. We take care to cover your furniture, ensuring it remains clean and undamaged. Additionally, we handle all necessary permits from the city, alleviating any stress for you. While your water will be temporarily turned off during the process, you will have access to water every evening. Step 3. The repipe. Here comes the exciting part, the repiping process itself. Our expert certified installers skillfully remove your old plumbing system and replace it with new PEX piping. Our team goes the extra mile to minimize disruptions to your daily routine, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. We understand that a functioning plumbing system is crucial, and we work diligently to deliver high-quality results. Step 4. Testing and inspection. Once the new piping system is in place, we conduct thorough testing and inspection to ensure optimal performance. The water is turned back on, and our team meticulously pressure tests and flushes the system to check for any leaks or issues. We pay great attention to detail during this step, ensuring that your new plumbing system is reliable and functions flawlessly. Step 5. Finishing work. After the testing and inspection, we take care of the finishing touches. Our goal is to leave your home as if we were never there. We expertly patch any holes in the walls and repaint the affected areas, ensuring a seamless and polished finish. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we take pride in delivering a complete and clean project. Now that you have a closer understanding of the repiping process, it's time to take action and secure the future of your home's plumbing system. Don't let outdated pipes cause headaches and frustration. Trust the experts at We Do Repipes to provide professional and reliable repiping services that exceed your expectations. Call us today at 832-819-8337 to schedule a consultation with our experienced repipe specialists. Take the first step towards a properly functioning plumbing system and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a repiped home. Experience the We Do Repipes difference. Let our dedicated team guide you through a smooth and efficient repiping journey, ensuring a professional and hassle-free experience. We are here to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the high-quality repiping services you deserve. Choose We Do Repipes, your trusted repipe specialist, and reimagine the possibilities for your home's plumbing system.